Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can download Winrar to your computer and install it to compress a folder or to extract files of a zip file. So right now on my computer, when I click on a folder or file, there is no Winrar. See, I have a zip software to unzip or to zip, but WinRAR is presently not there. What I'll do is I'll open any browser, Chrome browser for example. On Google, I'll just search as WinRAR. And you see, you need to browse through this website, www.win-rar.com. So what I'll do is I'll just right click and open in a new tab. Yeah, you can click on this download. You can click on this Windows 64-bit. Yeah, my computer operating system is 64-bit, so I'll just click on this. But if your operating system is 32, you need to shift to 32-bit and then download. When you click on download, it immediately gets start this download here. I already downloaded this. So what you can do is you can just double click on this. So we are just running this application to get installed on my computer. So I'll give the permission allow. So this program will be installed under C program files WinRAR. So this folder path is okay for me, so I won't change. If you want to change, you can change by clicking on browse and giving a different path. So what I'll do is I'll just agree all their terms and conditions. I'll click on install. So the installation process is being started. So yeah, these are the options, the files I can handle with this particular WinRAR application. Okay, I'll click on OK. I'll click on done. See, just within less than a minute, the downloading and the installation process of WinRAR on my computer is finished. Now I'll test it. So I'll open any folder or files on my computer, maybe the same folder. I'll right click on this folder, and this is on my Windows 11 laptop. So if it is your Windows 10 also, the process is pretty similar. No need of any changes or any specific steps. The process is similar. See here, the WinRAR is being appear here. So I can click on archive. I can click on shots.rar. I can compress this. So for example, if I choose this option, immediately the rar file will be created. Or yeah, if you want to create this folder in rar, it is okay, but if you want to zip this folder, you can change the options. Then it will be, the folder will be converted into the zip conversion, and you can choose between these options, because there are a lot of options available on WinRAR. That's why this is most popular in compressing files. Okay, compression method is normal. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'll click on okay, but I can set the password also. But for now, this tutorial, I'm just compressing this file. So this is how simple you can install WinRAR and uh, zip your files if you want, and you can unzip also with the same software. If there is any zip file what you have downloaded to your computer, and now if you want to extract the files, in that case also the same tool will be useful. I'll show you that one also. Yeah, see here the zip folder is being created, and when I right click on this, I can unzip with the same software WinRAR. So that's the reason most of us really like this. See here, if I click on extract here, the files will be extracted here. So if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like. That would really help me. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.